Hello viewers, Windows 10 official support ended and now it's time to upgrade to Windows 11 and move on. But for the owners of old hardwares, it's a troublesome situation. As you already know, Windows 11 requires TPM version 2 and Intel 8th generation CPU or Ryzen 3000 series and above. I have a 6th generation Intel i5 system here. Let's upgrade to Windows 11 by bypassing system requirements. We need to download official Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. I won't suggest using any altered version like Nano 11, Tiny 11, etc. If you need to optimize for older hardware, you can do so after clean installation from original installation files. Now that our file is downloaded, let's try to install from this by mounting the ISO. As you can see, we stuck upon issue for TPM 2. You might face different issue, but all comes down to system requirements. Now let's bypass system requirements. We have two options here. One is using a bootable USB drive. Another one is without using USB. Our first option is without using USB. Let's open the mounted DVD drive. Right-click and open terminal here. Then change directory to sources by typing cd sources. From sources directory, type /setupprep.ext/product server. This line of code you can find in video description. Now setup will start and it will not stop here for requirements. You can continue the setup by keeping files and apps or nothing for clean install. If you don't like this option or want a bootable solution instead, here comes our second solution. We will need Rufus for this. Let's download and open Rufus and connect a USB pen drive to our computer. After Rufus opened, from device selection, select your USB pen drive. For disk or ISO image, select the downloaded Windows 11 ISO, then press start. From pop-up window, select both remove requirements option and data collection and BitLocker and press OK. Now wait for Rufus to complete the process. After process is finished, you can open the pendrive folder and start setup normally to upgrade your PC to Windows 11. Also, you can use this drive to boot from BIOS and clean install Windows 11 without requirements hassle. Let me know if you want to know about the safest method to optimize Windows 11 for older PC, so it can run smoothly. Thanks for watching.